How to use the Stochastic Oscillator trading indicator. Today, we'll show you how to use the Stochastic Oscillator indicator for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. The Stochastic Oscillator is an indicator that shows the current price position relative to its previous highs and lows. It consists of 2 periods, the fast %K and the slow %D, and helps to identify moments when an asset might be overbought or oversold. How to set up the Stochastic Oscillator indicator for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. For example, you can set periods like this: %K to 5, %D to 3, and the smoothing period to 3. Watch for stochastic line crossover signals. When the fast line %K crosses the slow line %D from bottom to top, it is a signal to open an up trade. If the crossover occurs from top to bottom, open a down trade. Use the stochastic indicator in combination with trend analysis for better results. Try now. Follow the link in the description.